The government today released its anti-drug advertisements as part of the intensified efforts to eliminate illegal drug and its trade and abuse all over the country. Communications Secretary Martin Andanar said the ads would increase the government's reach in sending a strong message that the drug menace is continuously destroying lives, hence must stop. The advertisements were directed pro bono by acclaimed director Brillante Mendoza. One of the scenarios featured an OFW mother who has a drug user son back home.
Oh, ikaw pala yan, anak. Natapos ko na ba yung muling padala ko?
Oo, pero kulang eh.
Kulang?
Kailangan ko sa school. 5,000.
5,000 to?
Bila items yan.
Items ta.
Yun na yan, Brad.
One, two, three. Oh, okay. Sino ka naman?
Be careful, it's slippery. Be careful. Open it. You're not gonna pass. Ready,
Wala ka naman ng wasa namin sa'yo.
ito yung ID ko. Tsaka, hello?
Luma, tulungan mo.
Next, please.
Ako po si Cathy San Gabriel. Subscribe na sa PTV YouTube channel. I-click lang po ang subscribe button.